Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line pug. I'm going to go in first and base coat him in the color Savannah Mist. Next I'm going to use Hurricane Gray to go in and base coat the area around his mouth. Next I went in with Soft Pink for his tongue. And now I'm going in with the number 4 round and Hurricane Gray, and I'm going over all of the lines that are etched into my pug. So instead of going in and outlining him with black, I'm using this darker gray color. And then I will also use that number 4 round to go in with some black paint. And I'll use the black paint to outline his mouth area, fill in his mouth and his nose. And then once I'm done with that, my project will be complete. Very simple and easy. I think this pug would be a lot of fun to paint, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.